While I was growing up, we had this lemon tree in our compound. After squeezing out the lemon juice, we usually use the bark to rub the scalp. I was doing this because I was told that lemon can help grow out the hair because of the essential oil. I believed it even though I didn't have any knowledge about it. This doesn't only apply to lemon zest. It works the same for orange and lime. You will not believe that something as simple as rubbing orange peels or lemon zest on your scalp can help grow out your hair. Well, there is a lot it can do for you. I'm about to show you in this video. All you have to do is watch to the end. Also like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. If for some reason you do not have lemon at home, you can also make use of lime or orange peels. Instead of making an oil out of this, I would rather make a hair growth spray, and this is because moisturization is your utmost priority if you really want to grow out your hair. Your hair can never grow if it is dry. Your hair is just like a plant. If you do not water it, it is definitely going to die. Can't overemphasize the importance of watering your hair. Apply that water. Do not be scared of using water on your hair. That is why I would choose a herbal spray anytime, any day over hair growth oil. Let me say that again. Watering your hair is what makes it grow, and oil doesn't do that for you. To get started with this recipe, you're going to use either lemon, lime, or orange peels. You can use any of these three because both lemon, lime, and oranges are chemically very similar. They contain just the same compounds.
Lemon zest is the outer yellow layer of the lemon peel. This is not lemon juice. Juice is water and acid. Zest is oil, antioxidants, and active compounds. That is why we use zest for hair and scalp treatment. The first component in lemon zest is D-limonene. D-limonene makes up 65 to 70% of the oil in lemon zest. D-limonene is a natural solvent. It dissolves oil, sebum, and product buildup on the scalp. D-limonene kills bacteria and fungus. The fungus that causes dandruff is called malassezia. D-limonene destroys it on contact. When you apply lemon zest to the scalp, D-limonene cleans the follicle opening. A clean follicle produces stronger hair. The second component is vitamin C, also called ascorbic acid. Lemon zest is one of the richest plant sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C is required to produce collagen. Collagen is the protein that holds hair follicles together and gives hair its structure. Without collagen, hair is weak and breaks. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant. It neutralizes free radicals from sun and pollution. Free radicals damage hair proteins and cause premature aging. Vitamin C applied to the scalp protects the follicle and strengthens the hair shaft from the root. Wash your lemon with salt or baking soda to remove dirt. Another component is citric acid. Citric acid is a natural alpha-hydroxy acid. It has a pH of 2 to 3. Scalp pH is 5.5. When diluted, lemon zest brings the scalp back to its ideal acidic level. An acidic scalp prevents bacterial overgrowth. Citric acid also exfoliates. It breaks the bonds between dead skin cells. This removes flakes, dandruff, and buildup without scrubbing. Citric acid flattens the hair cuticle. It also has flavonoids. The two main flavonoids in lemon zest are hesperidin and eriocitrin. Flavonoids are anti-inflammatory. Inflammation in the scalp shrinks follicles and causes hair fall. Hesperidin blocks inflammatory signals. This calms itching, redness, and irritation. Flavonoids are also antioxidants. They protect scalp cells from oxidative damage. Another component is pectin. Pectin is a soluble fiber found in the zest. When heated in water, pectin forms a light gel. This gel coats the hair strand. It adds slip for detangling. Lemon zest contains calcium, potassium, and magnesium. These minerals support cellular activity in the scalp. Healthy cells divide faster. Faster cell division in the follicle means faster hair growth. I also added clove. The active compound in cloves is eugenol. Eugenol makes up 70 to 85% of clove oil. Eugenol is a powerful antimicrobial. It kills bacteria, fungus, and viruses on the scalp. This stops dandruff and infection. Eugenol is also a circulation stimulant. When applied to the scalp, eugenol dilates blood vessels. This increases blood flow to the hair follicles. More blood means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to the root. Nutrient delivery is the #1 factor in hair growth speed. Cloves also contain beta-caryophyllene. This compound reduces inflammation. It soothes an irritated scalp. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants. These antioxidants protect follicles from damage. Cloves also contain trace minerals, manganese, vitamin K, and iron. Manganese is required for collagen production. Iron carries oxygen in the blood to the follicle. Clove powder adds more concentration. Clove buds release oil slowly during simmering. Clove powder releases it instantly. Using both gives you a fast and long release of eugenol. When we combine lemon zest and cloves, lemon zest cleans. D-limonene and citric acid strip buildup and fungus from the scalp. Cloves sterilize. Eugenol kills anything left behind and prevents it from coming back. Lemon zest feeds. Vitamin C makes collagen for stronger hair. Cloves feed. Increased circulation from eugenol delivers that collagen and nutrients to the root. Lemon zest balances. Citric acid sets the scalp to pH 5.5. Cloves protect. Antioxidants from both ingredients shield the scalp from damage. Lemon zest adds shine and slip with pectin and flavonoids. Cloves add thickness by stimulating the follicle and reducing shedding. The result of this combination is 4 things. 1. A clean detox scalp with no dandruff and no itch. 2. Increased blood flow to every follicle, which increases growth rate. 3. Stronger hair strands with less breakage due to collagen and antioxidants. 4. Shiny, smooth, moisturized hair with defined texture. Put the grated zest in a stainless steel pot. Stainless steel does not react with citric acid. Now, I added 10 whole clove buds. Whole buds simmer slowly and release eugenol over time. I added 1 teaspoon of clove powder. Powder gives an immediate burst of eugenol. I poured in 3 cups of filtered water. Water is the solvent that extracts all the water-soluble compounds, vitamin C, citric acid, flavonoids, and pectin. I placed the pot on medium heat and allowed it to simmer for 10 minutes. Simmering, not boiling. Boiling destroys vitamin C. 10 minutes is enough time to extract D-limonene, eugenol, and pectin without breaking down the nutrients. After 10 minutes, I turned off the heat. I allowed it to cool completely. Cooling allows the pectin to thicken and the oils to infuse into the water. I strained the liquid through a fine mesh strainer. The liquid is now concentrated with lemon zest oil, clove oil, vitamin C, and plant compounds. This is how you use it. Part hair into sections. Spray directly onto the scalp. Massage for 3 minutes. Massage increases the circulation that cloves already started. Leave it on the scalp. Do not rinse. The spray dries and leaves a protective film of pectin and antioxidants. Use this spray 3 times per week. Use it on wash days as a pre-treatment. Use it on dry days to refresh the scalp. Here is what happens with consistent use. Week 1. The scalp stops itching. Dandruff flakes are gone because fungus is eliminated and dead skin is exfoliated. Week 2. Hair feels softer and has more shine. The cuticle is flat from citric acid and coated with pectin. Week 3. Shedding reduces. Follicles are stronger from collagen and better blood flow. Week 4. New growth is visible at the edges and crown. Circulation is increased and follicles are unclogged. This spray works for all hair types. Curly, coily, straight, and wavy. It works for oily scalps because D-limonene cuts oil. It works for dry scalps because pectin seals moisture. It works for dandruff, thinning, slow growth, and buildup. Storage. Keep the spray in the refrigerator. It lasts 10 days. The vitamin C and oils are natural and do not contain preservatives. Safety notes. Always do a patch test behind the ear. Lemon zest contains compounds that make skin sensitive to sun. Apply the spray at night or cover hair when in direct sun. Do not use on broken or open scalp. The citric acid and eugenol will sting. This is the science. Lemon zest provides cleansing, pH balance, vitamin C, and shine. Cloves provide circulation, sterilization, and growth stimulation. Together, they create the ideal environment for hair to grow long, thick, and healthy.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.